The wheels are spinning in Carpinteria. Construction on a new skate park could begin by the end of the year.
And News Channel 3 senior reporter John Palminteri joins us now live. And John, an enthusiastic rally is helping this cause.
It's been an exciting afternoon in Carpinteria. It's taken a long time to get to this point, to get near to the reality of a Carpinteria skate park, but it's come in small and large donations, and more are coming in, and soon the location where I'm standing at the end of Carp Avenue will be the skate park reality.
You guys deserve this, and thank you for waiting, and I'm sorry it took us so long, but it's coming.
When you see a large group of skateboarders escorted by the Santa Barbara County Sheriff's Department, their parents and community leaders, you know something very unique is unfolding, and it's happening in Carpinteria.
Kids needed a place to be. They needed a place that they could go and run around and skate and have their self-expression, and it is so clear to all of us how much that skateboarding provides for kids.
After riding down Carpinteria Avenue, they were let loose at the site that will someday be a new state-of-the-art skate park. It's taken years of work to figure out where the park should go and how it can be funded at a cost in excess of $1 million. But the Carpinteria Skate Park on City Hall land is now in focus.
We've taken it to about 80% of the funds are raised. And that is pretty much all grassroots funding. This is money that the community has just continued to show up and given us $10, $20, $100, $1,000 here and there. With the city of Carpinteria also came in and they took us over that.
The city chose this side because it's the old hockey rink next to City Hall. It had been abandoned, and in recent years it had been used for storage. The organizers say once the skate park is built with specially designed jumps for all levels, it'll give kids an outlet for exercise, expression, and they'll even have a stage for music.
You could be having the worst day ever, but then you'll go skate and you'll leave it all behind and drop it and just go have fun, and it's such a good outlet.
They say the sport is growing tremendously and has good synergy with surfing, which is very popular nearby at the legendary Rincon surfing break.
Definitely more accepted by like the community as a whole. Like it's less, it would feel like it was more outlawed, but now it's like, it's more engaging, I guess.
Pretty much all of my best friends that I have to this day, I've met through skateboarding.
A final push for fundraising will be taking place all summer so they can pour and shape the concrete in October.
We don't need very much more money. The minute that last dollar is raised, we will have concrete trucks here pouring.
For the kids in Carpinteria who want to do skateboarding, they're usually doing it around town, and the closest skate park is up in Santa Barbara. The fundraising is well underway, and the thermometer behind me says they need $1.2 million, and they're almost there and looking for a summer filled with donations. Reporting live in Carpinteria, I'm John Palminteri, News Channel 3.
All right, and we're rooting them on. Thank you, John. Well, June is Men's Health